Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this rainbow dash look in Dress to Impress. So in this tutorial, we are bringing the bold and brave energy of rainbow dash to the runway. And this is the look that I created for rainbow dash, and I'm going to show you how you can create this one. So first, for the hex code, I'm using this blue color, and you can also copy my hex code if you want to. And then let's start with the hair. So first, for the hair, I'm going to use this updo, this one. I'm going to color it green and orange. And also I'm going to combine it with this bangs in the same color, green, orange, and yellow. And lastly, put on this bangs, and I'm going to color it orange. Okay, so if you're done with the hair, you can start with the outfit. So the outfit is pretty simple. So you can first put on this t-shirt at the top and color it white with no picture. Then for the shoes, I'm going to use this one and color it blue. And for the shoe, the blue that I'm using is this blue here. You can use my hex code in here. And the second color, white, until the last one. Then I'm going to put on this skirt. First color, pink. Second one, white, and the last one, go back to pink. I'm going to also put on the socks, and to go it's into height strip socks, change the color into red and yellow. Then I'm going to also put on this wings and color it blue. Lastly, for the outer, so I'm going to just use a jacket from code item, this one in here, change the color to blue, and you are done. So this is the final look for rainbow dash. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.